Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a join. So first we're going to want to type select, then first name, and then state codes, and it shows those columns. And then we're going to run it, and now I see both of those columns. And now I'm going to use join, which combines two things that are related to each other, which basically are inner join. And now I'm typing states, which is a table that I'm going to get it from. Then the people table, and dot state and state code, which is equal to the states table dot, wait for state abbreviation, which is abbrev for short. And now these two are related, so it will work. It won't work when they're not related and they don't come from similar tables. Then it's not gonna run, but now it did. And now we have the table. And now we're gonna see if it actually works. So now we're gonna put multiple columns, state column and joined, and other columns. We're gonna see if it actually joined together and worked. So it did. So now we're going to now we're gonna type first name. So then we can go back to what it used to look like, which is first name, and then we're gonna add other columns. So we're gonna see all the data, and if it actually works, then we're gonna see if they're actually related. They will work. You do if they're actually joining by doing all these columns. So now we're gonna do where statement equal to California. I'm gonna show everyone how many people live in California, including the names of everyone, so you don't have to have tons of data all the time, which can be very time consuming. But this kind of filters the data and kind of joins tables that are related to each other. Bye, have a nice day.